Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear students, viewers and guardians, welcome to the online classes of Bangladesh Bank High School. I am Muhammad Shahnawaz Talat. I am going to take your English first paper class. So please open your textbook, Unit 1, Lesson 1. Look at the topics today. Can you live alone? This is the name of our lesson. So please take your book. I am going to read the text. You must be careful, attentive, because after completing the text, we will discuss some questions and we will give you some homework and you have to submit the homework. But before going to the text, I would like to discuss some vocabulary with you. So please look at the whiteboard. I have written some keywords. The first one is sufferings. Sufferings means troubles, difficulties. Sufferings. Sufferings means troubles, difficulties. Jealousy, envy. Jealousy, envy, এটাকে আমরা হিংসা বলি। থার্ড ওয়ান ইজ এনমিটি। তোমরা এনিমি শুনেছ, এটা হচ্ছে এনমিটি, নাউন, এনিমিও নাউন, এনমিটিও নাউন। এনিমি হচ্ছে শত্রু, এনমিটি হচ্ছে শত্রুতা। এনমিটি, হস্টিলিটি। এনমিটি, হস্টিলিটি। The next one is cow hand. Cow hand means cowboy, a person who looks after cows. Cow hand means cowboy, a person who looks after cows. So you have understood the vocabs. Now I am going to read the text. So please take your books and be attentive, because after going through the text we will discuss some questions. Long ago, a young man who lived in a village found his life full of problems and sufferings. So long ago, there was a young man who found his life full of problems and sufferings. Sufferings means difficulties. His life was full of problems and sufferings. Quarrels, ill feelings, jealousy, enmity, all were part of everyday life there. So these are the four things which were the part of everyday life there: quarrels, ill feelings, jealousy, and enmity. So he left his house and went to a jungle to live by himself. These situations compelled him to leave his house and to live in the jungle by himself. There he made a nice little hut with wood, bamboo, and reeds. In the jungle, the young man made a hut with wood, bamboo, and reeds so that he could live there. "Ah, how happy I am here," said the man to himself. After making the hut, he told to himself, "Ah, how happy I am here." But one day he found some mice in his hut. The little creatures soon made holes in his blanket. One day he found some mice in the hut who made some holes in his blanket. So he brought a cat to kill the mice. The cat needed milk, so he brought a cow. The cow needed grass and hay, so he brought a cow hand. So after finding the holes in his blanket, he first brought a cat to kill the mice. After looking the cat, he needed milk, and for that reason he brought a cow, and for taking care of the cow he brought a cowboy. That means cow hand. so that the cowboy looked after the cow. The cow had needed food, so he took a wife to cook meals. Now the cow had needed food. Who will make the food? A wife of cow hand made the meals. Then children were born to them, and the man found himself again in a family. So children were born to them, and the man found himself again in a family. So nobody can live alone unless that person is either an angel or a devil. So from the lesson what we learned, that nobody can live alone, either he is an angel or a devil. People need food, shelter, companions and help. We need food, shelter, companions and help for survival, for our existence. They need to look after each other. We have to look each other. Our parents looked after them, we look after our parents. So people can't live alone. And if they live in a family or community, their needs can be fulfilled. When people live in a family, their demands and needs are fulfilled. Hence, living in society can make people good and happy citizens. So we can say that living in society can make people good and happy citizens. So we have read the text, what we learned, that from the text that nobody can live alone, either he is an angel or a devil. We need food, clothes, cooperation, shelter from each other. We live in a family, our family members looked after us, our parents looked after them. So everybody is dependable on others, on each others. So this young man at one point left the village because the village was full of problems and sufferings. He went to a jungle to live alone, but he couldn't live alone because he need food, he need shelter, he need meals. For that reason, once again he found a family. So at the end he realized that nobody can live alone, either he is an angel or a devil. So the moral of the story is that we as human beings can't live alone. We need cooperation, help, shelter, food. In order to fulfill our demands, our needs, we need cooperation and help from each other. And our family, our society, our government provides all these things. So I hope you will read the text again and understood the moral of the story. Now I am going to read the questions which I have written in the whiteboard. Please look at the questions. Question number A, why did the young man leave his house? What were the reasons? We have learned that the young man is a peace-loving people. The village was full of sufferings and troubles. People quarreled with each other. This young man couldn't like this. So he left the village, his house, to live alone in the jungle. B, what were parts of everyday life there? What were parts of everyday life there? Quarrels, ill feelings, jealousy and enmity were parts of everyday life there. Quarrels, ill feelings, jealousy and enmity were parts of everyday life there. Was the man happy in his heart? So the man made a hut in the jungle. In the beginning he was happy because he was passing his days peacefully, but at one point he found a hole in his blanket. So he brought mice, and after that he brought the young man found some holes in his blanket which made by rat. So he brought some mice to kill the rat, and to look after the cat he brought a cow, and for looking after the cow he brought a cow hen. So he found himself again in a family. So we can say that the man was happy in the heart in the beginning, but at the end he found again his life of full of troubles and sufferings. How did he find himself again in a family? For looking so many things, he found himself again in a family. For looking the cow, for looking the cowboy, for looking the mice, he found himself again in a family. Next question, what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story we have already said that nobody can live alone. As a human body, we need cooperation, shelter, food from each other, from our family members, society, country. So we can't live alone. We have to fulfill our demands with the help of our family members, our society, our family members. So I hope you will understood the text and the questions. So now you have to read the text again and again in order to understand the moral of the story fully and completely. And after reading the text, we will write the answers of these questions and put in the Facebook page within 2 or 3 days. So that's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed the class. That's all for today. Allah Hafiz.